Ladies and gentlemen, who wanna help me celebrate because my queen is around? I want to get her something so that she will eat. And you all know the queen that is around. You understand? Join me as I go and present the food that I have for my baby. Hi! You see the joy in my heart. Oh shit. Hey, my baby. My baby, I prepared a table before you in presence of your enemies. Ladies and gentlemen.
Let me put this phone down first. You don't come again. You don't come again.
You show me, sir. You don't go rest.
Thank you.
You like her?
It's because of your camera.
No, you like it?
I like it. Don't be bully and beast with it. Be the chop. They cannot cast you now.
I make it here. I just bring her for you, me manager. I'm not too.
I'm so
no better food for this area.
It's fine. Hello.
So my baby is around. You understand? She has been around since yesterday. I don't want to show her on the internet. I'm going to decide when to show her for internet.
That's so.
You understand?
That's so.
You're welcome. So let me.
Hello, guys.
Should I feed you?
Yeah.
Which kind of be that one now? I won't feed Mary. She no agree. Which kind of be that one? Maybe I won't feed you. My fancy man feed you. She might feed her. Man feed her.
Thank you. I can help myself.
I might help you open it. I help you open the bread. I had to collect it.
I'm shy.
You are shy. I give blow for left eye.
Guys, come and eat with me.
I eat.
Come and join me, guys. It's kind of hot.
Sorry. Hey, no, I see what time. Don't be like me, the stress is about it. I feed you now, you don't distress yourself. I hit the day, wait now, bro. Don't be only Cameroon pepper at the farm. By that time, I Cameroon pepper.
Where your own spoon? You know the truth.
No, Let you satisfy yourself, there is one be.
I cannot finish this beans though.
See beans 500 you know if you finish.
I cannot, no, I'll finish it through the meat. I cannot finish it.
Don't worry, just be bellyful now. Maybe just be bellyful now.
Like, you guys come and eat though.
Guys, more than no come, no gonna buy her for. But I'll carry that long truth call.
But the beans is like.
I better beans now, yeah, compare. She don't do this area for more than 15 years. They know her for these beans and bread. You understand? No, you just enjoy yourself. Hello guys, this is my first time bringing Mary to my shop. You understand? I believe say today sales will just be
Amen.
me and I go day shop today from morning till night. We'll go out together. You understand? Emeka, I beg you go lodge your hotel this night. You dey hear me?
Don't come and disturb me and my baby.
Oh, Enugia now, you are hearing me? Don't come and disturb me and my baby. If you come in, I don't want to see for us. We need privacy. Go and meet Cameroon Pepper. Let's go get it. See the way the guy didn't make me the shout. You know what happened the last time now?
Make Cameroon go. Maybe you rest.
I don't tell a man leave women. You don't want to leave women.
But for real, that sugar woman come your house.
You don't want? The woman come our house. Oh. Come with guys. Oh. Now you can't even they tell me say make I no come house. I say which one say make I no come my house again? Why the parent? I will tell we go sleep that day. I be more leave Emeka for Emeka. Emeka get wahala. You don't know that guy. You don't know Emeka. Just eat. Don't worry, ma feed you.
Thank you.
Eat now.
You know as I take the shop now.
Ma just give you one.
No, thank you. Thank
you. Why you do like your mama? She do like your mama.
Give me my food.
Are you shy because of the camera?
Give me my food. Don't cast me now.
I won't give you now. Buy a shop meat.
I'm not comfortable. Give my food.
You're not comfortable with me feeding you. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, you see, I first do like Gen Z bad.
Normally, I'll be Gen Z now.
So, ladies and gentlemen, I love you guys. God bless you. Mary, don't worry. This one no go do camera later. Bye. Love you.
Bye bye.